Finding the right contact management tool isn't easy. Many users want more than what Contacts Plus offers, like advanced CRM features, contact enrichment, or better import or export and backup options. In this video, we'll show you 7 of the best Contacts Plus alternatives and answer common FAQs. FAQs about Contacts Plus alternative. Q2. Pricing. Most offer limited free tiers. Paid plans vary by subscription or one-time fee. Some free versions show ads. Q3. Trade-offs. May lose features, face slower sync, pay more, or get a less polished UI. Top 1. Best Contacts Plus alternative. MobiKin Assistant for Android. Offers comprehensive contact management through PC-based backup, restore, and batch editing features, making MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, Mac a reliable alternative to Contacts Plus. Step 1. Open MobiKin Assistant for Android on your computer and connect your Android device to the same machine. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the program to detect your phone. Step 2. Once the device is recognized, click on Contacts from the left sidebar. From the top menu, you can choose New, Delete, Export, or Import, or use Edit from the right sidebar. Simply follow the prompts to easily manage, add, or modify your Android contacts directly from your PC. Top 2. Google Contacts provides effortless syncing across Android devices and integrates smoothly with Gmail, Calendar, and other Google services. Google Contacts allows automatic duplicate detection and merging, keeping the address book clean, organized, backup, and restore. Top 3. Sansan transforms business card information into a centralized team contact database, offering accurate and reliable scanning. Sansan allows sharing and collaboration within organizations, supporting sales and marketing workflows efficiently. Top 4. Nimble combines contact storage with CRM-style task, note, and deal management for organized relationship building. Nimble enables tagging, segmentation, and social profile enrichment, providing detailed insights about contacts. Top 5. CamCard excels at capturing paper business cards with high OCR accuracy, converting them into organized digital contacts. CamCard supports multiple languages and allows updating digital business cards dynamically. Top 6. HiHello facilitates digital business card creation and sharing via QR codes, while maintaining organized contact information. HiHello enriches contacts automatically with social profiles and professional details. Top 7. Quo provides enriched contact details and smart summaries to track communication history and reminders. Quo can pull additional information from public sources to maintain accurate records. Notifications for follow-ups help users stay on top of relationships.